How to buy Bitcoin on Bybit app. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on Bybit app. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch the Bybit application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. After a while, select the assets icon at bottom right corner of the screen. In order to buy bitcoins on Bybit app, you have to deposit some money in order to buy bitcoins. So in order to deposit, firstly tap the deposit button at top left corner of the screen. And here you need to select the payment method, whether you want to deposit with crypto or buy crypto with fiat. For now, let's select buy with NPR. You will reach on this page. After a while, make sure that you already choose the currency in order to buy bitcoins. If it's already set to Bitcoin, you can easily tap at the top right corner of the screen and select your currency from here. Here you need to easily type in how much you want to deposit. Suppose if I want to deposit 100 NPR, but minimum you have to deposit 264 NPR to maximum 6600 and 1000 NPR. So let's enter it. After that, you need to tap on the next button at bottom of the screen. And now here you need to choose the recommended bank transfer and then tap buy with NPR button. And here you need to click the verify now button. And once the verification process has been completed, you will easily buy bitcoins on Bybit app. And then on your asset, you can easily see the asset after buying bitcoins on Bybit app on your funding page. So that is how we buy bitcoins on Bybit app. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.